Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Guided Project 1 to 3. So click the file, download the all material. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. So if you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 1 Guided Project 1 to 3. We move to the main project step. So step number 1 is open the workbook Excel 2021 Guided Project 1 to 3. Start the Excel file. If the workbook protected view, click enable editing security box. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name and change the project file if the directed to do so by you and save it. So go to the downloads and open the Excel file. Click the enable editing. So next is and click the enable editing and we move to the question number 3. So zoom out and open the workbook in the resources link and protected view. Click the enable editing. So open the wherever worksheet. Click the enable editing. So next is zoom out and unfreeze the panes and switch to the confirm the wherever and go to the. So zoom out the status 5 times is the 100% zoom size. Zoom time. And next is click the freeze pen button and choose the unfreeze the pen. So go to the view tabs and go to the freeze and click the unfreeze the pen buttons. And next is we move to the part C is click the switch window button and view tabs and window and confirm the wherever and or both opens and display the where opens. So switch window buttons. So go to the switch view buttons and both the opens. And next is both open and open the where downloads and confirm the where over and or both open and display the where over both option. And next is we move to the question number 4. So right click the sheet 1 tabs wherever and choose the move or a copy and click the to book drop down list and EX 2021 in guided project 1 to 3. So right click the sheet 1 move or copy and next is click move or copy and click to book drop down and click to book drop down to book and drop down and Excel guided project 1 to 3. So Excel project guided 1 to 3 and next is and select or create a copy and select or create a copy and next is to create a copy and switch the window buttons and close the warehouse. Click OK and switch the wherever files and next is switch the window and choose the warehouse and close the without saving and verify your working. Your name is the Excel 2021 guided project 1 to 3. So guided project 1 to 3 and next is we move to the question number 5. So we move to the question number 5. Rename and delete the sheet 1 and double click the sheet 1 2 tabs and type the inventory and press enter. So copy the sheet name and next go to the Excel worksheet and right click and name is sheet 1 is inventory. And next is right click the sheet 1 and choose the deletes. So select the sheet 1, right click and click the delete and delete. So next is we move to the question number 6. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is fill a label series and delete a column A4. So click the cell A4. So select the A4 and press enter. And next is type the, so copy the title and press enter A4 and press enter. And next is select the A4 and double click the fill handles. So A4 and double click the fill handle. So next is and double click fill handle and next is right click the J column heading and choose and delete. So select the column J, right click and click the delete. So select the column J and delete. And next is we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is click the cell H4 and formula display the formula multiply by the quantity of the cost to calculate the value current box. So select the cell H4, E4 multiply by G4, E4 multiply by G4 and multiply the quantity cost to calculate the value of current stock. And next is double click the fill pointer to for the cell H4, the formula copy down the column and press enter to complete the function. Did not double click and fast enough. So double click and apply, copy the formula. And next is we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is merge across and set the word wrap. So copy the range A1 to I2 and next go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and next is click the merge and center buttons on the home tabs and merge across the cell each merge label in the left aligned. So merge and centers. So go to the home tabs, go to the element groups and click the merge and centers. Sorry, and select the merge across. The merge across, and next is the cell each merge on the label in the left line. And next is select the F3, expand the formula bar to right edge of the labels in the after or and but row the interface display 2 lines. So select the F3 and expand arrow and right click in the formula the label link break or tall enough 2 lines, break or 2 lines. And next is click the wrap text button, the row heights and label 2 lines. 2 line is the wrap text. So wrap text and cell F3 and next is collapse the formula bars. And we move to the question number 9. So change the alignment and format the data and select the cell A4 to C39 and click increase indent buttons. The movies are the labels from the border for easier readers. So copy the range A4 to C39 and next go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and increase the indent buttons once and increase the indent button 1, increase indent 1, increase the indent button 1. And next is select the F4 to F39 and click the center button. So copy the range F4 to F39, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and then click the center button. So go to the home tabs, go to element groups and click the centers. And next is select the cell G4 to I39. So copy the range. Next, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and G4 to I39, and next is click the number format drop down and choose the currency. So go to the numbers and click the currency and click OK. So currency and click OK. And next is A1 to A2 and click the font size arrow and choose the font size to 20. So copy the range A1 to A2 and go to the Excel version and paste the range. So next is font size is choose the font size to 20. So go to the home tab, go to the font groups and font size to 20. And next is select the A3 to I3 and click the bold button. So copy the range A3 to I3 and next go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter, and next is click the bold button. So go to the home tab, go to font groups and click the bold. So bold button, and next is click the format button and row height. Click the format button and row height is 35 and press enter. So row height is 35, click the row height is 35 and click OK. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. Display and calculate the total inventory value and click the cell G14. Type the G14 and press enter. And next is type the current inventory value at the cost and press enter. So copy the title and paste the title inside G14 and press enter. And next is select the G14 and click the bold button. So G14, go to the home tab, go to the font groups and click the bold. So bold, and next is click and align right button. Click and align right button. Align right button. And next is select the cell H14, double click the auto sum button. So select the H14 and press enter and go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the sum and press enter. And next is autofill the column H to display the value and apply the autofill column H. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete Simnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, static and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments and upload and save your file and submit for grading. So save the assignments. Click the save and next upload the assignments. Close the Excel files. Upload the assignment and check the support. Upload my files. And click the open. And just submit the files. So upload the assignment and check the support. So you can see the current score is 100% in Excel chapter 1. In practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3 is current score is 100%. So if you want to complete Simnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the current score is 100% in Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3.